Guten Morgen, Klasse 9. Wie geht's euch? So today we're just going to quickly go over the numbers we've learned so far, and then what we're going to do is look at how to say the higher numbers. So 20, 21, etc. So 20s to 100s. Okay, so let's just get this started here. We might as well do it from the beginning. So we've got die Zahlen, the numbers. So if we just revise the lower numbers quickly, 1. And you can say this while I'm saying it. So repeat after me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's up to 10, and then we have those funny two numbers. 11, 12. Okay, cool. Now remember, you can pause this and rewind, so whenever you need to practice a little bit, it's there for you. So remember, when we're making the teens, we say 3 and 10, but we don't say the and. So if you remember, it's 3 und 10 is 13, 13. And here we have them. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And if you remember, the 16 and the 17 were a little bit different. Hopefully you've written down how many of the penguins there are. I won't go through them now because my eyes are going funny looking at them. Hopefully you also wrote down how old you are. So the question, wie alt bist du? Ich bin Jahre alt. So obviously I'd say, ich bin 20 Jahre alt, yeah? Good. I'm glad you didn't laugh at that. Now, when we come to the bigger numbers, Mr. Tompkins is laughing at me here. For some reason, he doesn't believe that I'm 20. All right, so when we're doing the bigger numbers, for instance, 24, if you think about the song 4 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie, don't know the rest, so I won't carry on. 4 and 20, 24, and that's how we do it in German. So if we just quickly go through them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So some new words. 10 at the end of a word is teen, and sig is T. And then we've got 100 und 1000. What do you reckon 100 is? Could be 100 or 200 or 300, etc. All the way up to 1000, 1000, 2000. Send me a message once you've sussed out what that means. So if we look at the teens again, and then we'll go to the 20s. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then we've got the 1 and 20. 21, 22, 30, 40, 50, 100. I'm going to put something else up so you'll be able to see all the other numbers anyway. But basically you get the idea. Have you seen the number that is the odd one out here? That's right, it's 30. So instead of the sig with the Z, it's got that S set symbol, double S sound. Now, when you're saying 21, 22, 23, 34, 57, etc. There's no space, it's all one word. Okay? And then we got 100 and 1000. So here we've got the numbers 22, 22, 38, 38, 43, 43, 76, 76, 99, 99, 14, 14, 65, 65, 57, 57. So you can see that the units that in English come second come first in German. 2, 2, 8, 8, 3, 3, 6, 6, 9, 9, 4, 4, 5, 5, 7, 7. All right? Write those down in your exercise book. You'll need to pause. Here are some more numbers. I'm not going to go over them with you just now. Sorry, yes I am, but I want you to write them down. So here we've got 31, 31, 19, 23, 1, 11, 17, 25, 44, 9, 42, 16 und 39. Write those down in your exercise book. Write down football kids. All right? Okay, cool. Tschüss.